When a truck is stuck, you don't need a speech. You need a pull. D-rated on the road, shredded charge air boot on the shoulder, fluid where it shouldn't be, a tensioner that let go. This is the work. Roadside Diagnostics. Jump starts when the batteries are done. Coolant, air, fuel, and oil systems. Opened up and traced for real. In the shop, doghouse off, wheel ends pulled, heavy components moved the right way. Heavy-duty truck and trailer service. Recovery when the ground won't cooperate. Nationwide. MTS Truck Service. Call or text 855-450-1212. mtstruckservice.com.